Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we are going to talk about a really annoying issue. Your Windows 11 has been deactivated pop-up. If you are suddenly seeing this message on your screen and you are not sure what to do, don't worry, I will walk you through all the working solution to fix it step by step. Let's get started. So before we started guys, I want to clear about what is the reason behind this error, why you're facing this type of problem. So this issue can happen for several reasons. First reason is this guys, your Windows 11 copy may not be genuine, and second main reason is this guys, a recent Windows update might be cause the activation key reset. Okay, so the third reason is this guys, if your Microsoft account is not syncing with your digital license at the time, also you can get this type of problem. And fourth reason is this guys, you have made hardware changes like replacing your motherboard or hard drive. At that time it will also ask you to reactivate your Windows. Okay, or in case there is a bug or glitch in your system, at that time you can also get this type of problem errors on your PC. Okay, so now let's get started one by one to this solution. First you need to check the activation status. To check this guys, you need to open your Windows settings. Okay, like this. In the Windows settings, go to system and scroll down and find out in the right panel about section. Okay, and scroll down to the Windows specification. If yes, let's move to the other fixes. Step 2, use the activation troubleshooter. To use this guys, go to Windows settings, once again go to system, scroll down and find out troubleshooter, and here go to other troubleshooter like this, and here you can run the Windows troubleshooter. Okay, Windows will scan and try to fix the activation status. Okay, still this is not working. Now you can try the third method. Now you need to re-enter your product key. To re-enter your product key, go to once again Windows settings and go to about like this, scroll down, and here you can get the option product key and activation. Just click on it, and here you can get the option change product key. Just click on it, enter your original Windows 10 or Windows 11 key from the purchase or device label. Okay, after this guys, it will also help you to fix your problem. Still in case your problem was not solved, now you can try the fourth method. You need to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you had a digital license linked to your Microsoft account, make sure you need to sign in. Okay, to sign in guys, go to once again Windows settings, go to accounts. From here you can get the option sign in option. From here you need to sign in with your Microsoft account. That's it. Okay, so in case this method is not working with you, now you can try the next method. Now you need to use the command prompt to activate this guys. Press Windows key button, and here you need to type cmd, means command prompt. Right click on it. From here you need to open the run as administrator. Okay, like this. Now you need to enter one command, slmgr dot vbs space /auto. You need to enter this command and hit enter from your keyboard. This command try to activate your Windows online. Okay, still this method is also not working with you guys. Now you need to contact to Microsoft support. If none of the above works, you need to contact the Microsoft support directly. Have your product key and error message ready. This can manually verify and help you to reactivate. Okay, that's it for today guys. These are the best way to fix the Windows 11 license deactivation pop-up. If this video helps you out, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below saying fix, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. See you in the next one.